Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best watercolor books is probably one of the most important investments for any aspiring watercolor artist, offering a structured learning path, expert guidance, and a wealth of inspiration to navigate the exciting world of watercolors. This video will dive into the top picks for beginners, helping you choose the perfect companion to kickstart your artistic journey and unlock your creative potential with washes, blends, and captivating watercolor landscapes. Number 5. Watercolor, Creative Techniques. Welcome to the wonderful world of watercolors. This book is your guide to mastering the basics and unlocking your creativity. Learn essential techniques, from washes and layering to blending and lifting. It's easier than you think to create beautiful effects. Discover a range of inspiring projects to practice your new skills. Let your imagination run wild and create stunning works of art. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this book provides clear instructions and helpful tips. It's time to explore the beauty and versatility of watercolors. This book will empower you to create amazing art. This comprehensive guide provides step-by-step instructions and stunning visuals to help you learn and grow as an artist. What we like. It's filled with creative techniques and inspiring projects to get those artistic juices flowing. If you are looking for a fun and engaging introduction to watercolor, this book is perfect for jumpstarting your creativity. It's ideal for beginners who want to explore various techniques and create beautiful art. What people say. Half the book covers supplies, cues, fundamentals, and brush lettering basics. The second half is exactly 15 tutorials, 5 of which seem very young in style and color for teenagers and younger, unicorn and goldfish for example. The 10 tutorials that don't feel too kiddie are definitely lovely for real beginners. The book is not at all intimidating and I look forward to the tutorials which are easy to follow. This book has everything that the newer or experienced watercolorist needs. The exercises that I never knew about will assist me in improving. No teacher has ever suggested anything for me to learn precision, more brushwork, and easier hints for water control. The book is appealing with the color, layout, and organization. There are templates included for projects and lots of color theory made easy. Number 4. Everyday Watercolor. Welcome to Everyday Watercolor. Today, we'll cover the basic materials you'll need and some simple techniques to get you started. This week, we're diving into color mixing. You'll learn how to create a wide range of colors using just a few primary hues. Halfway through the course. Now, we'll apply what we've learned by painting simple objects like fruits and vegetables. Let's move on to more complex subjects. This week, you'll learn how to paint beautiful landscapes and scenery. Congratulations on completing the course. Today, we'll combine everything we've learned to create a final masterpiece. Want to take your skills to the next level? This bonus section explores more advanced watercolor techniques. What we like. This book provides a structured 30-day program to master watercolor painting. If you prefer a step-by-step approach and want to improve your skills quickly, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who like a structured learning experience and want to see progress in a short time. What people say. She takes you from very basic strokes, color choice, and mixing, to very complex pieces. Great book and great teacher. These thick, sturdy pages are easy to follow and go in depth. Creating next steps to use doing with is to hold your brushes, along with how to mix colors. This book takes a very step-by-step approach to teaching the basics of watercolor. I feel 100% more confident in the painting skills after completing this book. Number 3. Watercolor Forest Kit. Welcome to a unique watercolor experience. Let's explore the beauty of nature through vibrant colors and easy-to-follow techniques. It's time to discover your creativity. This kit provides everything you need to create stunning watercolor masterpieces. Experience rich, vibrant colors that blend seamlessly. They're perfect for capturing the details of the forest. Even beginners can create beautiful artwork. The step-by-step guide makes it simple and fun. Let your imagination run wild. Transform ordinary paper into breathtaking watercolor landscapes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, it offers a rewarding creative journey. Unleash your artistic potential. What we like. It features a beautiful forest theme, perfect for nature lovers. If you like painting calming nature scenes and enjoy a relaxing creative process, this book will resonate with you. It's ideal for those seeking a peaceful and inspiring painting journey. What people say. One page is a sketch of what to paint and the adjacent page has the painting and instructions with color swatches. The painting seems simple, but each is a lesson in watercolor painting. This book is so different than most books because it tells you the materials they used, steps of how to do it, and great paper and illustrations to work with. This is a wonderful beginner book with 119 pages of lovely watercolor illustrations and instruction on nice thick paper. Dana also has a YouTube channel with tutorials of some of the illustrations. Number 2. Watercolor Workbook Botanicals. Ready to explore the beauty of watercolor painting? This workbook is your perfect guide to creating stunning botanical illustrations. Experience the joy of painting on high-quality paper. It's designed to bring out the vibrancy of your colors and the details of your artwork. Short on time? No problem. Each project is designed to be completed in just 30 minutes, making it easy to fit into your busy schedule. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this workbook provides easy-to-follow instructions and inspiration. Dive into the world of botanical art and learn to paint a variety of flowers and plants. Let your creativity bloom. With clear instructions and helpful illustrations, you'll be guided through each step of the process, ensuring a successful outcome. It's the ideal tool for beginners to learn watercolor techniques and create beautiful botanical art. It's easy to follow and fun to do. What we like. This workbook focuses on botanical projects and uses premium watercolor paper. If you are looking for high-quality materials and enjoy painting detailed floral subjects, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who value quality materials and want to create professional-looking botanical art in short bursts of time. What people say. The author gives easy-to-follow instructions and a relatively simple and forgiving list of supplies to get started. Her recommended supplies for the entire book: Number 1 round brush, Number 4 round brush, 01 or 02 micron Pigma waterproof pen, Winsor and Newton Cotman watercolor tube paints in lemon yellow, yellow ochre, alizarin crimson, burnt sienna, cobalt blue, white, any, ivory black, oxide of chromium, professional, Payne's gray, professional, optional extras, perylene maroon and perylene violet. The paper quality feels hefty and easy to work with, and the designs are aesthetically pleasing without being too complex or too boring. She walks you through every step with clear instructions and provides examples. The line drawings provided, lovely watercolor paper and extremely clear instructions on techniques, color mixing, and a lot of encouragement to enjoy the process while learning. Number 1. 15-minute watercolor masterpieces. Learn to create stunning watercolor paintings in just 15 minutes. It's easier than you think, and perfect for all skill levels. With our easy-to-follow guide, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Each step is clearly explained, ensuring success. Discover the joy of watercolor painting. It's a relaxing and rewarding creative outlet for everyone. Create beautiful pieces you'll be proud to display. Your friends and family will be impressed by your newfound talent. No prior experience is needed. This program is designed to guide you every step of the way, from start to finish. Get started now and unleash your creativity. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can master this beautiful art form. What we like. It guides you to create frame-worthy art in just 15 minutes with simple steps. If you're short on time but still want to produce beautiful artwork, this book is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who want to achieve impressive results quickly and easily. What people say. The projects are well written and very fun. If you follow the projects as they are in the book, you can develop significant skills by the time you're done. I like the step-by-step pictures and directions. I really like how she shows what paints to mix to get the colors needed. The explanations and examples are easy to follow, and I'm having a great time practicing and creating my own little masterpieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.